How to use Gemini AI for summarizing. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Gemini AI for summarizing. So basically, AI on Google search can summarize text using either the main chat interface or inbuilt feature with Google Workspace applications such as Docs and Gmail. If you want to use the inbuilt feature in Google Docs or Gmail, you need to get an upgraded version of Gemini. Only then you can access these feature. Otherwise, what you could do is if you have a free version of the Gemini AI, you simply want to type in gemini.google.com and then log in with one of your existing account or Google account, right? Next, what you want to do is make sure that you have the text that you need to summarize, right? So you could have it in a PDF format, photo or whatever, or maybe in the text format as well. Simply want to go ahead and upload the text right on this field, and then you want to go ahead and add in the prompt stating that you want to summarize this text. You can also be specific with the word limit and some sort of characters or punctuation mark, all that stuff. You could do it and then confirm or just go ahead and instruct it. And this way, you'll be able to get the result in a summarized format as you provided in the prompt. So that's how you could use Gemini AI for summarizing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.